Okay, so today I'll be explaining on how to set up a calendar. And this is a Project Libre software where, many managers, uh, use this software to create their own project. So we'll be using this software can also be used, to create project like uh, set up proper dates or set schedules according to the duration of the task and assign tasks, come up with resources which are useful in our project. So first I'll be explaining on how to set up a calendar in this, and how much time or how on what days you will be able to work. So uh, coming first I'll be explaining you some basic concepts on calendar, like base calendar, project calendar, task calendar, and resource calendar. Now, talking about the base calendar, it is a default template for a project, task, and resource, and they have mainly established the standard working and non-working times for all uh, projects and organizations, that is weekdays, work days each week, and what all the default hours in the work days. And also, like, they also allow for particular non-working days, that is national holidays also. So accordingly, you can just get to know on what days or what national holidays you will be not working, or whether you'll be working or not, all that. So Project Libre also work with initial base calendars such as standard night shift and 24 hours. So each of these would have a different workday hours but share the same holiday, for instance. And then talking about the remaining last three calendar, that is a project, task, and the resource calendar. So they all use a base calendar to start. So these three calendars, which is the project, task, and resource, they use a base calendar to start, but can be altered to account for used cases. So these calendars are useful in modeling also, and also reality, and also in project works. So the good example is 24-hour calendar assigned to a material resource like a machine that works on an around a pod. So now the project, resource, and task calendars work together. And I'll be explaining on to you 5 days task schedule, that is Monday to Friday, but resource assigned to complete the task does not work on Tuesday. So I'll be showing you 5 days task schedule, but on Tuesdays they are not working. So the task itself has a standard calendar, but resource would be assigned to a calendar that does not include working on Tuesday. Then Project Libre can schedule appropriately, and that task will finish one day later. Since Saturday and Sunday are also other either calendars on working days, that would actually finish on Monday. So an associated item that will cover today is an example of duration. So what is duration in project management? So in duration is basically in project management it is defined as total number of working day, like total number of working periods to complete a specific task. Now I'll start with this. Now first I'll write, for example, standard calendar task, then 7 day a week task. I'll just yeah. Then 24-hour a calendar task. Then Tuesday off. As I've told you, we'll keep Tuesday off calendar task. Okay, so duration, I'm gonna keep 10 days for all the tasks. Okay. Okay. So now we'll be, you know, save baseline. Okay. Now, when we have to go on calendar, and as I told you, these are the initial bases like the standard 24 hours and night shift. So I'll be creating a new calendar for a 7 day a week. So new, so it's 7 day a week. Okay, and basically I'll be keeping on Saturday non-default. See, as you can see, it's from five, like total 8 hours, 8 hour shift, that is 8 to 12, and 1 to 5. So this is 8 hour shift. Accordingly, you can edit upon you, like if you want a 6 hour shift, so you can, you can keep third, like 1 to 3 or 1 to 4, according to you. You can keep, but I'm not changing. I'm gonna keep the same as it is. So then click OK, and I'm gonna select one more, like I'm gonna create one more new calendar. That is, I'll be creating for Tuesday off calendar. So it's Tuesday off. Okay. And I'm gonna go for Tuesday. Now you can see my Tuesday will be the non-working days. And as I have told you, Tuesday off calendar task, and so it will be the off day. So okay. Okay. So now when I click on this, so if I go to advanced and I'll be going to standard, so close. So here, as you can see, this icon, when you just put the cursor on this, it will show the calendar standard is assigned to this task. So standard calendar is assigned to this first number task. It's the same way I will do for the second as well. So it's 7 day a week. Close. So as you can see, the like the it got compressed inside as I did the 7 day week calendar task. Moving ahead to the 24 hours. So task calendar 24 hours. Sorry. So you can also go on this, and according to you, if you want, you can just go like must start on, and you can put a specific date on what day you want to start a task. But just gonna keep it as soon as possible, and task. So it's, so as you see, it is a 24-hour a day calendar task. So in 10 days, the duration is 10 days. So you can see 24 hours, it's from Monday to Thursday. So as you can see here, in this week, it's a 24-hour day. As I'm doing, it is just the task, like the diagram is just reducing. Then I am gonna click the last one, Tuesday off. Let's see for Tuesday off. Okay. Yeah. So uh as it is a Tuesday off, so when you can just see it's working from Monday to Monday, and accordingly you can just see in this picture. Yeah, so this way you can just set up a calendar task. Okay. And what if you want to link any task? If you want to link any task now, if you want to link a 7 day a week task to a standard calendar task, then what you have to do is, or if you want to link all the tasks together, just select, go to task and link your task, so you can see all how the task has been linked to each other. If you want to, like, if you want to unlink the task, then click unlink the task, it will come as normal. So this is how to set, you can set up a calendar based on, you know, baseline, or if you want a 24-hour day shift or non-working day shift accordingly. So that's it. Thank you.